I have here the first articles of impeachment. Respondent betrayed the public trust, committed culpable violation of the Constitution. This is with respect to the plotting to murder or assassinate the incumbent president, the First Lady, and the Speaker. The second article is the graft and corruption in her misuse and malversation of confidential funds appropriated to the office of the Vice President and the DepEd. The third is the bribery charge. The bribery and or act of graft and corruption in violation of Republic Act number 3019. This involves yung payola po sa DepEd with Yusek Mercado and I think three more DepEd officials. And Article 4, the betrayal of public trust in amassing unexplained wealth and failing to disclose all her properties and interest in properties in her SALN. Article 5, respondent committed other high crimes, including the high crime of murder and conspiracy to commit murder. This was the EJK, her involvement in the EJK. Number 6, respondent by herself and or concert with others committed acts of destabilization, constituting at least a betrayal of public trust and or culpable violation of the Constitution and even the high crimes of sedition and insurrection. Number 7, the totality of respondents' conduct as Vice President, including her commission of the foregoing acts, clearly display conduct constituting betrayal of public trust, culpable violation of the 1987 Constitution, and graft and corruption.